Everyone talks about the bike's braking period. Ride below a certain RPM, avoid hard acceleration, don't stress the engine. But after getting this bike, I realized something. Maybe the first 1000 kilometers aren't just for the bike. Maybe they are for the rider too. This is my Triumph Scrambler 400X. Like many of us, I spent months watching reviews, comparing bikes, and imagining what my first ride would feel like. Finally owning it feels unreal. But now that it's actually here, the real journey begins. People say the engine needs time to settle. I think the rider does too. Every ride teaches me something now. I'm learning how the clutch feels, when the bike wants an upshift, how the brakes respond, how the suspension handles rough roads. Every kilometer makes me a little more confident. These roads are nice, man. These roads are very good. Let's see how it handles the speed brake. Okay. That went good. Good. Suspension is doing a very great job. Seriously. When I bought the bike, I thought the motorcycle was the biggest investment. Turns out, riding gear matters just as much. A helmet isn't just a rule, gloves aren't just for lifestyle. Every piece of gear gives me a little more confidence, and I'm still learning what works best for me. I'm not making these videos because I know everything. I'm making them because I don't. Seriously, I don't. So, I want to document my every lesson, my every mistake, and all the rides which I do, so that after some years, when I look back at these videos, I'll know where it all started. So, if you're also starting your riding journey, then let's learn together. This is just episode 1, the first ride, the first lessons, and the first kilometers I put on the bike. So, see you in the next one.